Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this cordless soldering station 20V from Parkside, the model PLSA 20LIB2. Bare unit only, battery and charger are not included. Compatible with batteries in the Parkside X20V Team series, it is a universal soldering station for electronics, model making and a variety of other hobbies. Working temperature, it is max 480 Celsius. Heating up time, it is 30 seconds on 400 Celsius. With a 3 years warranty, 1.5 meters of cable and accessories included inside of the box. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course inside we're going to find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, I'm going to find out all about this product. Now let's see one by one the accessories. We have one soldering sponge, one chisel tip, two solder with a thickness 1 mm 10 grams and 1.5 mm 10 grams again. One holder for soldering iron, it goes here. Just press and it will lock. There it is. And then you can install the soldering iron here. The cable, 1.5 meters, quite long, I like that. We have the soldering tip at the front, the fixing sleeve, the retaining nut. You can remove that, unscrew. Remove this tip and install the chisel tip. For now, I will use the pointy tip. Tight it, not too much. We have an ergonomic handle here, soft grip, easy to work. Now, at the base, we have the status LED indicator and the button. At this metal area, you can have your soldering sponge and work. And of course, to work with this soldering iron, you need to have a 2 Ah battery, or 4 Ah battery, or 8 Ah battery, and of course you need to have a charger. If you don't have any of these batteries or the charger, you need to buy the battery. It costs the 2 Ah 17 euros, 25 euros the 4 Ah, and 55 euros the 8 Ah. Fast charger, it costs 12 euros, the regular charger 7 euros. It is your choice which battery you want to use. For me, obviously, I like the 8 Ah. You can install it here, press and it locks. Nice, very easy to install. I like it. It is cute, it is portable, you can have it anywhere. Outdoors, in a place where there is no electricity, you want to fix something at your car, maybe, yeah, why not? You can have it with you and do your job. Anywhere, because it is portable, it has a battery. We can install that here. Press the button once, is flashing red. It needs about 30 seconds to heat up. And it is green. Now it's ready for use. Now I have these two cables. I will like to join them together. Perfect. And that was all. So easy to do that. Or you can use this board and connect this cable. and another cable here. Nice. Nice connection. And you can do some maintenance at this board, remove some of these joints, buttons, and replace them. Here it will be wisely to use the flat tip, this. And of course you can switch it off, just press once the button. You can see it's flashing, just to inform you that it is still hot, this tip, and you need to wait about 30 minutes. Now if you don't want to wait, well, just be careful, unscrew that, remove it, it is too hot, remove even that, and then you can replace it. We need to remove the tip at the front. Perfect. Or you can have a second one and do your job. Yeah, why not? Perfect. And turn on again by pressing the button. It's heating up. And there it is. It is green light. Now it is okay. And I need to remove this connection here from this board. And because this is a flat, it has a larger area to heat up all that. And there it is. So easy to remove. And you can replace with a new one. Nice. I think, guys, it is a great idea to have this at your store, basement, garage. Do a DIY project, whatever you want. At the right time, use it. Because it is portable, it is battery powered, 20 volt, 8 ampere hours this battery from Parkside, the newest battery. And solder whatever you want, electronics, do your hobbies, DIY projects and more. It costs 16 euros and I think the price, it is fair enough for the things that is offered you. It has all these accessories at the box, solder, the two tips. And I like it because it is a battery powered, thumbs up. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video. You never know who will need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.